This is Face the Nation, broadcasting live from the CNN IBN headquarters in New Delhi with Sagarika Ghosh.
Hi there. Think of travelling by Air India and immediately you worry. Will the flight be cancelled? Will the flight be delayed? That's exactly what happened today to hundreds of passengers as the Air India pilot strike intensified today, with senior pilots joining in as well. Almost 60 flights were cancelled. Passengers were stranded. Passengers were inconvenienced. It is that all too familiar Air India unhappy story.
Ashok Gupta is just one of the dozens of passengers harrowed by Air India and the ongoing strike. कहाँ से आए हैं सर? आपको कहाँ जाना था? क्या तकलीफ है?
हम पंजाब से आए हैं, जलंधर से हमको दुबई जाना था। दुबई जाना हमको कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं इन्होंने दी।
One of the airline offered me a flight ticket to Cochin, which is about 5 times more than what I paid for Air India.
Same situation here in Mumbai with many passengers here at this Air India terminal left stranded. I have with me Anita Kanadia. You're a government employee. You said you have to travel by Air India and you're going to Chennai. So what are your options now?
No options left. No options. I have to travel by Air India only.
Across the country, harried passengers who had to either cancel a flight or pay extra for a ticket on a private carrier. Day 2 of the strike by the ICPA pilots, now strengthened with the addition of another 70 from Air India, meant that as many as 44 flights were cancelled from across India. But while the rebellion may be spreading, there was confusion within the ranks. While the 600-member strong Indian Commercial Pilots Association wants the removal of Air India CMD Arvind Jadhav, the others who joined in today are demanding wage parity.
All the pilots in Air India should be paid by one single agreement of Air India. Period. और हमारे 3 साल के ये एरियर दबा के बैठे हुए हैं, वो हमारे एरियर दे दिए जाएंगे।
Indian Airlines and Air India merged to become NACIL in 2007. Erstwhile Indian Airlines pilots get paid by the hour, while Air India pilots get a fixed salary for 80 hours of flying. The striking pilots get paid anything between 1.5 to 3 lakh rupees, while Air India pilots get paid between 4.5 lakh to 7.5 lakhs. Erstwhile Indian Airlines pilots say that because several routes have been cancelled and foreign pilots hired, their flying hours have been reduced to 48 hours. The Civil Aviation Minister made it clear yet again that the pilots couldn't blackmail the management like this.
The dialogue can do only after the strike withdrawn.
The striking pilots, however, are not willing to give in as yet. But even as this standoff continues, as always, it's the passenger paying a steep price for no fault of his. With Raksha Shetty in Mumbai, in New Delhi, this is Priyanka Dubey.
Harrowing day for Air India passengers, endless squabbling between staff and management. The unhappy Air India story is the national carrier, national embarrassment. Joining us, Jitendra Bhargav, former Executive Director of Air India, Captain Rishabh Kapoor, former Secretary General of the ICPA, someone leading that agitation.